Guys, welcome to the Old Stone Fort in Manchester, Tennessee. I gotta catch up with Laurie. I had to go get a battery pack and recharge the phone. It went dead on me. Look, it's Laurie. She's on video. How about that?
You're such a butt.
See, she does exist.
I do.
Every once in a
Sometimes.
while, see there?
Sometimes.
There you are. I said the best part of this, it's free.
It's like beautiful. I would walk down there,
You know, leave it to us to go hiking on a cold day in the snow.
it's the best time.
I know. We ain't done this in a long time. See, once again, I have you in the video. Let's see what the sign says it used to be. That's cool though. That was part of a paper mill. That's awesome. That's just the beginning of them. There's more right down there, see? Let's head down there. You know, this is the first hike that me and you's been on since your knee replacement. Yeah, you done good. Done real good. It's been nice to get out. Something we should have done a long time ago.